everyone, ready for another delicious recipe. It's an 8-minute recipe I have prepared for you today. We're using our Misura integrale tortelloni, full of fiber, full of flavor. We're going to make a nice brown pasta with some red pesto, kale, walnuts and chicken. Here are the ingredients for today's simple recipe. We're going to start off with some ready-made red pesto. We've got some ricotta salata, toasted walnuts, some onion, cream, some kale, 2 chicken breasts and our Misura tortelloni integrali. Let's start our recipe. So let's start straight away. We've got a pan of salted boiling water. We're gonna put some oil in our frying pan, just get that heated up. In the meantime, let's open up our pasta. Our water is ready. It's gonna go straight into our pan of boiling water. So meanwhile, we've got our oil heating up in our pan. We're just gonna carry on cutting up an onion. No tears today. Okay, so let's start cooking. In goes our onion. Now we don't need that much flavor in this recipe today because we're using our red pesto. Let's give our pasta a quick stir. So let's just cook down our onion for a minute or two. Then we're just going to add in some salt, pepper and our chicken breasts. And we're just going to cook it until our chicken's done. Next step, in goes our chicken breasts. So we've got our 2 chicken breasts. Cut them as large or as small as you want to. I've sort of done nice slivers here. We're going to season with some salt and pepper. Now what we want to do is, we want to almost cook the chicken, okay? So we're just going to brown it all over, cook it down. When it's almost cooked, we're going to add in the pesto and also the cream. So our pasta is almost done, last 2 minutes, and our chicken is almost done. It's time to add in our red pesto, 2 tablespoons. That's going in with our chicken. And we also have our cream. Give this a mix. And the only thing that's left to do is leave this to cook down for a minute before we add in our kale. We're just going to tear our kale leaves off the stems, add them in, and hey, it's ready. So as you can see, in the time it took to cook our pasta, we finished our sauce. Our kale is wilted just in a minute or two. Let's get our pasta still warm. Add it to the pan. Our brown pasta. And we're going to finish off this dish with some toasted walnuts, some ricotta salata. Don't forget to leave some ricotta salata and some toasted walnuts to the end for a garnish. Ricotta cheese would work nice with this as well, normal fresh ricotta. I'm using ricotta salata today, just for a different flavor. Let's give it a mix. Oh, look at that. Tasty, smells amazing, quick and easy to prepare. An 8-minute recipe. Just gonna give this a mix and we're gonna serve it straight away. Let's see the finished results. Pasta Misura, il buono che te vuole bene.